ಹಾಂ, ನೀವು ತುಂಬ ದೂರಿಂದ ಈ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೇಲಾಗಿ ನೀವು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರ ನಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಲಿತಂಥದ್ದು ಈಗ ತಿಳಿಸಿರೋದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೀವು ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಸಂಪಾದನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎರಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ.
I got to know about this form of treatment or healing called Darbha Chikitsa through one of my relatives. And since doctors had told that there is no there's no the cause for epilepsy in aged people is unknown, and it's considered idiopathic, and there is no cure as well available apart from giving some medications which will only treat the symptoms. Since the doctors had made it very clear to me, I thought of alternative forms of healing or treatment for my father. So one thing that I have experienced as a biologist, having worked on bench and having published several scientific articles over a period of 20 years, is that we don't know the cause of several diseases even today, and not everything happens at the physical level, because we are though we may give a cause even at the molecular level, why certain things happen in a certain way and why they don't happen in another way, or why we could not have why the response is in a specific way, cannot be delineated that easily, and it is very different from person to person. So since I knew this basic fundamental fact about how biological systems function, and also about the role of systems that is beyond physical level, I thought, why not give it a try? So basically what we think is that everything is driven at the physical level, but once you experience that you are something above that physical level, the way you approach things change. So what this is, in my personal experience, I have seen that things get cured when you take not just for any physical ailment, even for any emotional, psychological disturbances that we experience. We feel that at the level of at the metaphysical level, or at the level of energy, things are very very unknown to us, how we handle it. I mean, or people like us scientists, we are very reductionist in our approach. We think that we try to break down things, but it is very hard for us to synthesize things and synthesize things and say that, okay, all these things, all these variations in the processes led to this this alteration in the cell. So basically when I think about this process, Darbha Chikitsa, many of these things actually I feel are in action, though I don't know what the process is, how it is done. I have seen the effect of this on my father. While he has been taking the same medications, just a mere dose change could not have manifested itself as something so drastically different in terms of how his energy levels, or how his whole being changed after Dharma Chikitsa started. So it was over a period of week that my father, who used to use a walker, could actually leave the walker and the walking stick and could walk by himself. And he slowly got back to his normal daily activities. One could attribute it to Brevipil that he is taking every day, but it what I realize is the efficiency with which something worked could not have been just due to Brevipil. And the thing is how the thing is when how your body accepts something is that you can give a medication, and that is a specific molecule. How your body accepts it or rejects it is not in your hands or not in anybody's hands. And this is something that I experience day in and day out working in the same field. So why certain drugs which should have behaved in a specific way don't behave in the same way is something that even biologists, it's not known to biologists. And the systems are so complex at molecular level. Having studied and having researched in the same field, I can tell you that it can be at the epigenetic level, at the genetic level, at the level of proteins, at the level of metabolites, at the level of how cells interact with each other. It's a super complex system, which if we say that we understand the whole thing, all of us know that somewhere we are not being truthful to ourselves and the knowledge that we have learned over the past so many years and what we have been taught. So given the complexity of this system, to say that we understand everything and we can cure things 100% by scientific way is not possible. But at the same time, we also don't know how these systems approach a disease, or how they think about human body, or how they think about what health and cure is very different from our modern and scientific medicine. But I am myself, I'm really very curious to know how these things work, though I am in no way qualified to do so. So talk about things like Dharma Chikitsa. But as somebody who is beneficiary of something like this, I'm very grateful to Sri Arun Bhatt for helping my father in his difficult times, uh, uh, and I thank him, my heartfelt gratitude to him for all the help that I have received.